I'm out here today. We got some snow. Let's get the Suzuki Vinson four-wheeler we rebuilt out. Let's tear it up, guys. Check out my outfit, guys. I got my little snowman, Russian man hat on. I got my balaclava. And then I got like 2 jackets on. And I got these Carhartt coveralls on. Yeah, man. If this doesn't keep me warm, nothing will. Oh yeah, she is running good today, huh? Man, we got a winter wonderland out here. Snow everywhere. The four-wheeler, you know, we had to tear it up. You know, I wasn't gonna leave that snow undisturbed. I had to get up here and rip it up in the snow for y'all. See how she's running? Man, look at that. Look at that view. Look at those trees glistening in the snow. You can't really see them. All the tops are frozen. Icicles. Man, that looks cool. What's up with this snow? It's like ice on top of snow. I'm about to have to go tear it up and do me some donuts. Oh yeah, there's powder under the ice. It's all right. Four-wheeler will rip it right up. So that radiator relocate that we built, man, that thing is holding up good. I've been plowing stuff down. Oh, let's see what we got. No damage, nothing. I've been running over a bunch of stuff. We could use some new tires on it. They're all right though. I ain't gotten stuck so far. But this thing has been ripping up the snow, man. I made a muddy mess. Wait till y'all see what I did. So she's running real good. You know, I got the carb tuned up. Got it in 4x4. 4x4 is working good. I've been running in 4x4 this whole time. No problems at all. Actually, that shifter is kind of wonky. We got to do something with the shifter. We got to adjust it because it's not staying in place. You're supposed to press a button in, but it is what it is. If I can get it locked in, I'll be all right, but we gotta play with that. And, you know, it's park like that, that's fine, but slopping all over the place, we gotta do something about that. Oh no, where did all the snow go? Yes sir, two-wheel drive for the win. Man, those tires are doing good. They don't got much meat on them, but man, we could tear it up with them. That's how it's done, guys. We got in there, tore that stuff up, had some fun. I'll check you on the next one, but I gotta go inside and get warmed up. Later.